Now our next transaction is of 18 January 2020, and it is packing charges invoice received from Mr. Ali. That is a new vendor. Now we are dealing with the inventory that requires some special packing because they are fragile items, breakable items like Corolla windscreen, Civic headlights. So there's some special packing required, some expert packing. So that's why we are hiring this vendor to make the packing for us. That means we are purchasing services from this vendor. So how to deal with service purchase in Peachtree? I'll go to vendors and purchases and click on enter bills and click on new bill. Now since it is a new vendor, we don't have it in the list. So after V300 comes V400. So I'll go in new V400 and my vendor name is Ali. Now expense account, as we have selected earlier, inventory for all of these. So I'll select the inventory. It doesn't matter if we are selling services. We will separately link the service item with that specific configuration. So here it doesn't matter. So just click on save and close. Now vendor is saved. I'll just select this vendor. And my date of services purchase is 18th of January. So 18th January is my date. Give any invoice number you want. Now, since we are purchasing an item that is a service item, so I'll click on new from here. And the service name is packing charges, or you can say first IT006. Just delete it. IT006, and this is our service item, that is packing charges. Now item is, it is not a stock item, it is rather a service item that is used only for purchases. Means we are just purchasing the service, we are not selling it. So after that, the configuration of the ledgers opens. Now since we are not selling this service, we will keep it to inventory sales as it is. Now for the rest of the accounts, that is cost of sales and salary and wages, we will select cost of goods sold for services. Now if I go and search for cost of goods sold for services, we can only find inventory sales cost. So we most probably need to create a new one. 5445 is there, so 5446, let's create new one. 5446, and this is cost of sales or services, and this is under cost of sales. So let's save it and close. 5446, I guess, yes, and 5446, and now let's save it and close. Now my service item is configured. Now I'll just simply select this service item. Now it doesn't mention a unit price, it says not available, because for inventory we know the unit price per service per unit, but here it will not be applicable because services are charged in total, not by quantity. So we will keep quantity to 1, and since it is packing charges, description is this, and the total amount is 45,000. Now if before saving the entry you want to check the journal entry effect, I'll just click journal, and it says packing charges is debit with 45,000 in the cost of sales, and accounts payable is credit. So now we will click on save, and that's how we deal with service invoices in Peachtree. Now, if I go and check that we separately need to post the bill or not, click on new bill. No, we don't need to post it. It's already posted. So sometimes it automatically posts and sometimes it asks for the second confirmation. So that's how we deal with service invoices in PeachTree.